one of my favorite soup to cook is black soup. I so much love black soup, and it's super easy. It is medicinal. Let's dive in. Let me teach you. You're welcome to my channel. So these are the ingredients I'll be using for the black soup. Our main ingredient is saint leaf. We have the Uziza. I'll be using utazi. Yes, onions is there. Yes, you need to use onions. Then these are utazi, little of utazi or bitter leaf. Yes. Then I want to be extra. I'm using moringa. You can add pumpkin leaf, ugu leaf to it too. Then be using fresh palm kernel oil. It is necessary. Use fresh if you want to enjoy that taste. Now I'll be blending all my ingredients together with crayfish, yellow pepper for that extra taste. Then my meat is boiled. Boil all your protein you need. Then you just pour your leaf inside. Then the palm kernel oil and leave it to cook. Yeah, I'm adding my ogiri. Yes, you need to add ogiri. Then your proteins. What is native soup without ogiri? Then seasoning. So yeah, please subscribe to my channel. Yes, I need it. Our soup is ready. Enjoy with any swallow. Yes. Thanks for watching. Bye.